Hello. Hello. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So I hope you are having a good morning. Everybody, you're welcome. Kindly feel free to comment, like the video, subscribe, and tell me what you think about it. So we'll start off our analysis for the day with the chart on our screen. This is USD Jpy. So far, this has been a sell. This has been a very good sell. You can see that the price somehow has been downwards. The price keeps continuing to the lower side. We do have this downward trend after hitting this high some few days ago. This was last week. The price shoot up to this point, but somehow it could not close beyond this zone. So as it is now, we are somehow looking for a sell. We are still expecting price to continue to the lower side. The idea is to keep looking for more sell positions, expect price to continue to the lower side. We do have a level here, we do have a level there, and then we also have another level at this price here. So this is like a resistance. We have a resistance here. If the price can come back nicely up to this point, then that will be a good place to look for a sell from. If the price can pull back up to this zone, then this will be another good place to look for a sell from. And if the price breaks below this level, then that's going to give us the correct place to look for a sell from. So as it is now, we are basically just waiting. We want to see what happens. We want price to attempt getting to the level which you've just drawn, the zones which you've just drawn, so that we look for a trade when the price hits them. So the next chart I want us to look at for the day, the next chart I want us to look at is Dbp Usd. Let's look at the next symbol. We have this chart here. So this chart somehow, this chart is heading to the upper side. So disregard the trades you're seeing on the screen. You can see that we have some sells here. Disregard these trades, they're not necessary. So we do have a resistance here. We have a resistance there. We have a resistance. Sorry, so we have a level here. We have a very good resistance at this price. We also have, then we have another support at this price. These are the levels where if the price can get through, then they're going to give us the correct place to look for trade. So we either wait for a sell when the price hits this level, we wait for a buy when the price hits this level, or we may also wait for a buy when the price gets to this level, the one at the very bottom. So the next chart I want us to look at is Euro USD. Our Euro USD is a sell. We somehow are bouncing from a major resistance level. We have a resistance zone here. We have another zone here. And we have a support here. So technically, if the price comes to any of these levels, the price hits this resistance, we'll be looking for a sell. If the price comes down up to this point, then this will be a good place to look for a buy from. And in case the price breaks beyond 1.19225, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. So the next chart I would like us to look at, is this one, SP500. So SP500, so far we have this, and then we have a zone here. So this is basically some support. As long as the price remains within it, we are actually looking for buy position. We do expect price to bounce off nicely from this zone, then head straight to the upper side. So should the price fail to do this, that is move upwards, the next place we want to buy from is this here, and the next place where I'd recommend a buy from is this level here. So wait and see what happens. If the price pulls back to this point, this is a buy, this is a good buy, and this too is a very good buy. So the next chart we'd like to look at is Brent oil. Brent oil is bullish. We are upwards. We had a resistance level here yesterday. Here we have a resistance level here, and then we have another level here. So if you, as long as you are within this range, we do expect price to continue to the upper side. We do expect price to continue upwards up to this level here. So if you're on this chart now, keep looking for buy positions. Expect price to continue upwards. Expect it to head straight up to this point, up to this resistance level. We also have another level here. So if, as long as the price is held above 44.173, we do expect a continuation to the upper side up to this resistance level. The last chart for the day is gold. So on gold, we do have a support here. This is a very good support where if the price can successfully break and close below it, if the price can close below this zone, the entire zone, then that will be a good place to look for a sell from. So if you're on this chart now, keep looking for sell positions. Expect price to continue to the lower side. Expect a continuation much lower up to this. I mean, if the price breaks below, we do expect a continuation up to this support. So we are still downwards, we are still bearish. Keep looking for sell positions. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's session. I will meet again on Monday at the same. So thank you. See you.